Two U.S. defense officials have told the New York Times that the primary thrust of the Ukrainian offensive in the southeast of the country has begun with thousands of soldiers which have been trained and equipped by Western nations, beginning to pour into the region. Massive artillery battles between Russian and Ukrainian forces are raging in the Zaporizhzhia region as these forces mass for a large push. Ukrainian forces have made strategically significant advances east of Robotyne, breaking through key defensive lines, are reaching the first primary Dragon Teeth line of defense set by Russian forces. Heavy fighting and shelling continues northwest of Verbov. Ukrainian forces have advanced further down the eastern flank of Robotyne and are possibly southeast of the town itself in that area. This are possibly Ukrainians testing the Russian trenches just outside Verbov. To me, it looks like someone is sending an unmanned vehicle to test the approach. Alexander Khodakovsky, commander of the pro-Russian Vostok Battalion, reports that Russian forces lost Staromayorsk. The loss of a settlement after a stubborn and no doubt heroic defense is a blow to our military pride, said Khodakovsky. And this are Ukrainian soldiers advancing near Bakhmut. Just look at the destroyed equipment. Russian propagandists believe that China relies on Russia in the area of defense. Delusional.
Китай не имеет системы противоракетного наблюдения и противоракетной обороны. Поэтому обезоруживающий удар США лишит Китай превентивный, одномоментный ядерного потенциала. И он не сможет ответить. Именно поэтому Китай завязан на Россию полностью и насмерть по системе ядерных вооружений в плане защиты от противника.
Putin had to wait for quite some time for the president of Egypt. This is not the first time that foreign leaders have made Putin wait for their meetings. More than 100 Russians were stranded at Yerevan airport without food or shelter because the Hungarian airline Wizz Air refused to bring them to Austria. They've been waiting for the flight there for almost a day. A group of tourists was supposed to fly from Moscow to Vienna via the Armenian capital. Hungary and Georgia seem to have a similar problem. The government is pro-Russian and the majority of the people are pro-Ukrainians. This is the damage or destruction of the Russian BMD by Marines of the 88th Separate Battalion. Apparently, this vehicle was used to set mines. This is a slow-mo video with the moment of the downfall of the Russian K-52 helicopter. captured Russian 100mm anti-tank gun MT-12 Rapira in captured Russian positions. Minor repair and will still serve.
На нас наводилась. Блять. Ще покоцаний. Може і робочий. Прицел такий. Блядь, це чувак. Сейчас попробую вытянуть. Да ну ты шо, иди сюда. На. Снимай. Да, блядь, сейчас будем ходить.
Не надо, посмотрите. Развернуть их и развернуть. Оптику снять.
Ну, конечно. Ёбаный рот. Что тут только было?
Давай ножки делаем.
Все, уходим.
Ukrainian defenders have a new pet in Avdiivka, a falcon, hoping that's a sign that soon F-16 fighting falcons will arrive as well to Ukrainian defenders.
Так, такі є. Це Сокіл, друзі. Прилетів Сокіл до нас.
And for the end, massive explosion in an Air Force ammunition depot in Greek Volos, after flames entered the area surrounding the base of the 111th Fighter Wing.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.